Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity in VSCode. Make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. Here, sign up for a Perplexity AI account and get access to its API key. Now, install Node.js or Python if your chosen extension requires it. Keep your API key copied somewhere safe for later use. Then, open VSCode and go to the Extensions Marketplace from the sidebar. Search for a Perplexity AI or compatible extension for coding help. After that, click Install and allow dependencies to be added to your editor. Open the extension settings and paste your Perplexity API key securely. After that, open any coding project or file where you want AI assistance. Trigger the Perplexity command from the sidebar or command palette. Type your query or highlight code to get suggestions and answers. Lastly, review AI output, refine prompts, and continue coding efficiently. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.